Hi, I'm Dianna Howell, your local real estate agent here in Birmingham, Alabama. Did you know that odors can kill the sale of your home? Well, what I mean by this is we want to make sure there's no strong odors in the home. So if you like to cook, don't cook dishes that have a strong aroma that linger in the home. If you have pets, we want to try to take precautions to kill any pet odors that are in the house. For instance, you can have the carpets deep cleaned. You might want to remove all pet bedding before any showings. You may want to light candles, not strong odors, just light neutral candles to provide a light fragrance in the home. And these are the things that will help sell your home when someone walks in the door, and we don't want any strong odors.